And we do.
Oh,
we got a guess.
beautiful thing.
Perfect.
Let's go to our man, Mr. Jack Gleason from MajorLeagueTrading.com. And folks, our man, Mr. Jack Gleason, we haven't talked to him for a few weeks because he moved his office. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, brother. What's happening, man?
What's up, man? Yeah, I guess I missed you guys on Thanksgiving and then kind of lost touch, I guess. But I'm back, and the markets are moving right now. Had some technical difficulties, so I grabbed my other laptop, grabbed my MacBook. But yeah, just hanging out down here.
So, hey, what part of Costa Rica are you in?
It's the Nicoya Peninsula, and the town I live in is called Santa Teresa. It's a what it is a surf town, basically. There's a fishing village right next to me. Yeah. And I went the other day, caught some mahi-mahi, some bullet tuna.
Oh, sweet.
A lot of good stuff.
Wow. You gotta love it, man, right? You gotta love it.
That's the way to live.
So, we got the first chart we got up here. What is that, gold or the S&P?
S&P we got up here.
Okay, so we got the S&P up, Jack. Talk to us.
This is what I want us to do, although I have downside targets as well. But if we can hold 2653 here today, I think we can move up to 2700 today or later in the day or tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm looking for a move. And these are just smaller levels. The other level I have below that is 2630.5. So basically, if we start breaking down right where we're trading right now, 2654, if we start breaking down below this level, I see us going to 2630.5 here today. Otherwise, if we can hold it, I see us moving up. We have two upside targets. Over the last 2 days, Monday's low to Tuesday's high held its 50% retracement. And then Tuesday's low to Wednesday's high held its 50% retracement. That level is what we're currently trading, 2654 area.
Yes.
You can't really get much bids above it though. So I don't. If you can see buyers are there right now. As soon as they let go, we're going to just shift down to that 30.5. So I will look, if we break through 54s, I'll look for a shorting opportunity because, that's roughly 20 some points below that I could be catching. So I'm either looking, if we're holding this, I'm looking for a break back above 2670. I think today is going to be a little bit of a ping pong match. And then if we break down below, I think actually that's when we get probably a bigger move here today for at least like 20 points.
Yeah, as we've had a ping pong match in a huge way, there's no doubt these last few weeks. So gold, talk to us about gold.
Gold, so what I'm looking at, and we got FOMC next Wednesday, right? So every time Jerome Powell's spoken recently, gold's been like the best thing since sliced bread. There's some of the biggest moves over the last few months or when Jerome Powell's speaking. I'm actually not sure if there's a Fed press conference next Wednesday or not after
there is. Yes, there is.
There is?
Yep.
Okay, so he'll be speaking. So the first level I'm going to be watching here, and this might trade over the next few days, but I don't see anything major happening until that FOMC event. That's what everyone's going to wait for. I think they're pricing in a 76% chance that they're going to raise interest rates. 1242.9 support level below. I'm looking to take on a first test. So we got that level highlighted, and then 1239.1 below that. So pay attention to both of those.
Awesome, man.
Yeah,
we appreciate it. We just pulled up that beautiful place that you were.
We see where you are now at the tip, at the southern tip, right?
There it is. Look at that beautiful. He's got the view and everything. Perfect.
I like it. Cooking, man.
Awesome.
Listen, you have a great one, Jack. Safe one. Look forward to speaking to you next Thursday.
Adios, guys.
Thanks, Jack. Adios.
Coming right back, folks.